Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today in this video, we'll dive into Jackpot Madness, a free Vegas-style slot machine app packed with mini games, daily bonuses, and over 100 slot games. It's perfect for a fun spin on phone or tablet. Let's get started. Jackpot Madness is a social casino slot simulator by Dodo Code. You play with virtual coins only, no real money is involved, but it simulates the thrill of Vegas slot. You get a welcome bonus of 2 million coins, access to over 100 unique slot games and daily bonuses, and free spins to keep the fun going. Now to start, first you need to download your app if you haven't. So go to the App Store, then search Jackpot Madness Slot Casino on your search bar. Then after this icon pops up, tap on that. Then you'll have the install button, tap on that and open up your app. Inside, you'll immediately receive the 2 million coin welcome bonus, and into the VIP casino lobby you go. Tap to play and collect your 2 million coins. Browse the casino lobby with dozens of slot machines to choose from. Then pick any slot machine to play. Each has its own theme and pay line. Tap spin, watch the reels and win virtual coins. Some slots have fun mechanics like expanding while multi-line gambling, cascading symbols and themed mini games. You'll also get daily bonuses and free spins just for logging in. Plus, there are regular events and jackpot features like solo versus multiplayer reels to keep things exciting. Try different machines to find a favorite. There are over 100 games. Log in every day for free coins and spins. Then watch for events like jackpot tournaments that offer extra chances to win big. And that is all about Jackpot Madness in a nutshell. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Give it a thumbs up, subscribe and comment down your favorite slot game below. Thank you for watching. Bye.